Imagine this. You walk into a cafe, order your drink, and connect to free public Wi-Fi. Everything feels normal, but something invisible can begin happening. Because you're not alone on that network. Sometimes someone else is watching, not your screen, your data. Public Wi-Fi isn't just slow internet. For attackers, it's opportunity. When you connect, your device shares small bits of information. If the network isn't secure, those bits become clues about your device and activity. Attackers can often see your device type, sometimes even the operating system. That helps them find weaknesses. They may also see which websites you're trying to reach. Not the content, but the destination. Someone nearby could know if you're logging in or browsing. Public Wi-Fi is a shared space. With weak security, attackers can observe traffic like cars on a road. Now imagine fake Wi-Fi networks. Names that look real like cafe or airport Wi-Fi. Connect to the wrong one and your device may talk directly to an attacker, and they can see much more. Sometimes login attempts or browsing behavior. The worst part? You won't notice anything. No warnings, no alerts, everything looks normal. Modern attacks are quiet. They wait for you to open the door. They also target outdated devices easier to break into. And often, the biggest risk is behavior. People log into important accounts on unknown networks because it feels harmless. But it's never truly private. Every time you connect, you enter a shared space. And in shared spaces, awareness is your best protection.